How to unlock any iPhone without passcode. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can unlock any iPhone without passcode. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is, so if you don't remember the passcode for your iPhone, what you can do is, there are different tricks that you can use. First of all, you can actually use an emergency contact and call that person. So if you have any emergency, you can still access your contact list. So what happens is, for the video, I cannot show you how you will enter a passcode, but it looks like this. So let's say this is where you will enter your passcode, and your passcode was, let's say you have actually 5 digits. So what happens is you can actually type in any random number. For instance, like this, you can actually go for *000 and hash. So what happens is you dial this number and it says that your iPhone is unavailable. Once it says this, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually enter a wrong passcode. You can do it 5 times and it will lock your iPhone. Then you're gonna wait. Once you wait for it, then you're gonna repeat this process. If you repeat this process few times, what happens is your iPhone unlocks itself. So you can even also try calling in between. When you're doing this, you can actually ask your friend to call you. So what happens is, this is actually a trick that I've seen work for some people, and you can use this trick. Otherwise, if you cannot access your data, you want to access your iPhone data, it's saved in your iCloud. You can log into your iCloud anywhere you want to, and you can access all of your media and data. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.